The GAMOTH HX2019F-A HX2019FR-A water filter is a great choice. It replaces original Hisense filters. This filter fits many Hisense models. For instance, it works with HRFD560N6TSE. It also fits HRFD560SW and HRCD585BW. Furthermore, it's compatible with HRFD634BW and HRCD650BW. And it suits HRCD560SW. Moreover, it fits Mora MRM260N6TSE. This Hisense-compatible GAMOTH HX2019F-A filter is a lifesaver. It's like a breath of fresh air. This pack includes 3 filters. Therefore, you are set for a while. When you use this filter, the difference is clear. It's like magic for your water. The water tastes cleaner. Ice cubes also taste better. No more strange odors. No more odd flavors. Therefore, your drinks will be enjoyable. You will appreciate every sip. This Hisense-compatible GAMOTH HX2019F-A filter truly improves water quality. It removes impurities with ease. After all, everyone deserves clean water. This filter provides that. It's a small change, but it makes a huge impact. Changing the filter is simple. It's not a struggle. You just twist it into place. Then, you are done. The process is quick. It is hassle-free. Plus, the 3-pack offers good value. You save money too. This Hisense-compatible GAMOTH HX2019F-A filter is reliable. It is also durable. Overall, it's a smart purchase. Your family will thank you. In conclusion, it's a wise investment. Pros: works great, perfect fit, water and ice taste as expected. No residual or lingering taste, no noticeable chlorine smell, identical to original filters, fantastic. Each individual filter is wrapped, capped, packaged really well, work as expected, can't go wrong. On our list to purchase, they work like they should. Features: brand, GAMOTH, model, HX2019F-A HX2019FR-A, product type, water replacement, compatibility, Hisense refrigerators, compatible Hisense Model 1, HRFD260N6TSE, compatible Hisense Model 2, HRFD560SW, compatible Hisense Model 3, HRCD585BW, compatible Mora Model MRM260N6TSE, quantity 3 count. Easy to replace. The GAMOTH HX2019F-A HX2019FR-A is a 3-count pack of replacement water filters. These filters are designed to work with various Hisense refrigerator models, including HRFD260N6TSE, HRFD560SW, HRCD585BW, HRFD634BW, HRCD650BW, and HRCD586SW, as well as the Mora MRM260N6TSE. They are easy to install, helping you keep your refrigerator's water fresh and clean. These GAMOTH water filters are a great replacement for several Hisense and Mora refrigerator models, including the HRFD260N6TSE, HRFD560SW, and others. Users say they fit perfectly and make water and ice taste clean, with no weird smells or leftover tastes. They're just like the original filters, and each one comes well wrapped and protected. Basically, they do exactly what they're supposed to do, and many people plan to buy them again.